Hello friends, and welcome once again to the sewing workshop. Today I'll be unboxing a Vesta 3-thread lock stitch machine. It's going to be a very quick unboxing. I just want to show you guys what it looks like from the carton itself. So first and foremost, a lock stitch machine is generally called a weaving machine in my country, Nigeria. So this is what it looks like from the box. Here, this is the first box you're going to see inside, and inside of this box we have all the thread carrier, we have the toolbox, we have the and some needles inside. And inside the box itself, we have the machine oil. You can see that. I don't know why this is quite small, because I'm going to still buy another one. But we have a machine oil, and inside it we also have this thing. I don't know what the hell that thing is, but I'm going to leave it there and I'm going to leave it up. So without wasting time, this is what the lock stitch machine looks like straight from the box. Inside there we have our manual, so if you still read manual, just take a seat and read it. But if you don't, then welcome to my world. That's about that. So here I will try to lift this up because I can't lift it up. That thing is heavy. Just one hand cannot lift this thing up, only if you gym. But this is it. I just put it on the table, and freshly I'm gonna just remove the nylon off it. And right here we have the Vesta 3-thread lock stitch machine straight from the box. Here we have the thread passage, and to pass the thread this out, you're gonna open it. I make a video on threading a weaving machine before. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to see that. So this is about this is everything about a new lock stitch machine. This is the oil passage. This way you're going to put your oil. Just seal it back. What have you done? Holy shit. Sorry for that. And this is the engineer setting up the motors and everything. I'm going to show you guys what the stitches look like, and I'll compare both the stitches. So that's about it. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified of my new video. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace and enjoy yourself.